Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Aero Window Manager by Dualapi. He has created a Windows 7 interface for Windows 10 through Aero Window Manager, getting the Windows Aero theme on Windows 10. It supports builds 2004 through 22H2, and we are on version 22.1H2. We are on Windows 10 Pro. We click on About. As you can see here, Windows 10 Pro 21H2. So now we're going to go ahead and go to Releases. And we're going to download AWM 1.0.1005 for Windows 10, 1809, 1903, 1909, 2004, 22H2. Click on Assets, and we're going to click on 2004, 22H2. You want that one. And we'll also need to grab 7-zip. You can use 7-zip, WinRAR, or PZip. It's all up to you what you want to use for an extraction program. So now we're going to wait for it to finish downloading, and then we're going to install 7-zip. Click on Yes. Click on Install. Click on Close. Now we can close these windows here. And now we're going to go down to the instructions panel. So now what we need to do is we need to extract AWM. Right click on 2004 22H2, extract to 2004 22H2. Go to this PC, local disk C, and create a new folder called AWM in lowercase letters. Go back to Downloads, copy the contents of 2004 22H2 into the root of your C drive where the AWM folder is. Now, what we need to do is we need to open up Command Prompt as administrator. Type in CMD, Control-Shift-Enter, click on Yes. And now we need to go back to our browser and we need to grab this command here. We're going to copy that command and we're going to run it in the administrator command prompt and hit Enter. You'll get this registered server in AWM has succeeded. Click OK. Now you need to download PS Tools. Right click, open link in new tab. It'll bring you to a learn.microsoft page. Go ahead and click on Download PS Tools Suite. You want to go ahead and open that file. And then we're going to go ahead and create another local file on our main drive. We're going to call it PS Tools. And we're going to copy all of this into the PS Tools folder. Now we need to grab another command from the GitHub page, and we're going to grab ps exe c64-s-i cmd.exe. So we're going to run this in an administrator command prompt. So we're going to go to cd c:/ps tools. Now go ahead and run this command. You'll get this window, PS exec. This is the symbol software needed to run Aero Window Manager. Go ahead and click on Agree. It's going to begin downloading through command prompt. Now you need to go to cd/AWM and the new system window has opened up. So go to cd c:/AWM and type in injector. It'd help if I could spell it right. Now it's going to begin loading Aero Window Manager. We should start seeing changes here pretty soon. As you can see, it's starting to take effect. And as you can see, we have Aero Window Manager enabled. Okay, so there's going to be a jump in the video here, but basically I had to cut out a bunch of stuff from the video because it wasn't working out for me and it was just going to confuse you guys, and honestly it was confusing me, so I had to cut it out of the video. But basically I'm going to jump into another part of the video where we're going to activate Task Scheduler, and we are going to show you how to create a new task in Task Scheduler to run Aero Window Manager automatically from startup or log on, whatever you want to call it. So what you want to do is you want to open up Task Scheduler and you want to run it as administrator. Go ahead and click on Create Task. Now you want to change Configure for Windows 10. Run with highest privileges. Run whether the user is logged on or not. And you want to name it Aero Window Manager. And you want to change user or group. You want to go to locations. I'm sorry, not locations, advanced. Find now. You want to scroll down until you see system. Click on system, hit OK, hit OK again. It'll change it from your username to system privileges. Now click on triggers, click on new. Give it a minute. We're going to say at log on. We're going to say for any user, and we're going to enable the task. Click OK. And then click on Actions. Click on New. You want to start a program. Click on Browse. Make sure you click on Injector and hit Open. Click OK. Go to Conditions, uncheck these two buttons here, and then hit Settings. If this looks okay to you, we're going to go ahead and click on OK. And now we're going to close out of Task Scheduler. And theoretically it should have started Aero Window Manager, but sometimes it doesn't, so we will have to log off. So we're going to sign out and sign back in. And now theoretically it should start Aero Window Manager. As you can see, Aero Window Manager has started. We got the Windows 7 capture buttons, and we got the Aero theme as well. Now to get the Windows 7 theme, we're going to go to Microsoft Edge or your favorite web browser. And you're going to type in Aero 10 22H2 by Vaporance on DeviantArt. And you're going to want to download this theme through the Deviant download. I'll be right back once I have downloaded this theme. Alright, so now I have the Windows 10 Aero theme 1903 22H2. To enable the theme, what you have to do is first activate Windows. So go back to your web browser and you need to search for Massgrave Windows 10 activation script. And you want to go to the mass gravel click on Microsoft Activation Scripts. Then you want to copy this command here and open up the run command box by pressing the Windows key and R, and then type in PowerShell, Control-Shift-Enter, and hit yes to bring up the administrative PowerShell. Paste the command in by right-clicking and hit Enter. This tongue twister. This step is optional if you've already activated your PC. If you have not activated your PC, I recommend following this step, and otherwise you cannot change your theme. To exit. Now we will need to go ahead and grab Secure UX Theme Patcher. So search Secure UX Theme Patcher, GitHub. Click on the first link. Click on Releases. I'm going to grab AMD 64. Wait for it to download. Then you can close out of Edge, and we're going to go with Downloads, and we're going to extract the Secure UX Theme Patcher. And now what we can do is that we can go ahead and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, Resources, Themes, and we're going to drag in our themes. So we got Windows Vista and Windows 10. So we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop these into Windows 10 here. We're going to close out of this, close out of that. And now we're going to run Theme Tool, run as admin. Click on Yes, hit OK. And you want to hook Logon UI and hook System Settings and hit Install. Go ahead and reboot your PC one more time. Now we need to go ahead and go into Aero 10 folder that our theme came in. Click on Extras. Click on AWM Presets. Now we got Basic, 7, and Vista. So we're going to, depending on what theme we're going to go with, I'm going to go with the Aero 7 theme. We're going to go ahead and merge this into the registry. Click on Yes, and hit OK. And now we're going to go back and load Secure UX Theme Patcher and run Theme Tool. Hit OK again. And we're going to select Aero 10 7 Clear. Patch and apply. Now as you can see, we have the theme, but it's a little bit bugged. Usually what I do is that I restart the PC to see if that fixes that. If it doesn't, I select another theme. Alright, so now let's see what it looks like. It looks better. Now, I will make a part 2 video on how to fix the File Explorer and get proper taskbar and start menu as well. That'll be all for today's video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on today's video.